Hello, welcome to Financial Algebra. Today's topic is Candlestick Chart. This is another chart which gives data on stocks, the performance for stocks on a day-to-day basis. Now, if you look at it, you see some similarities to our previous chart, but also some differences. On a candlestick chart, you have your rectangle, but you have a line going straight up and straight down. So it kind of resembles a candlestick a little bit. That's why it's called that. Now, the high is the very tip of that line there, and the low is there. Then the rectangle, the top of the rectangle represents the open or the close, and the bottom of the rectangle is the open or the close. The candlestick charts are color-coded to indicate if it open low and closed high. If you open low and close high, that's considered a good day, and that's going to be in green. And then if it opens high and closes low, then that's going to be in red. So depending on the color, the top is a open or a close. If the thing is green, the top is going to be the close. If the candlestick is red, the bottom is going to be the close. Now, right here, you see the two charts that we've looked at recently, the stock bar chart and the stock candlestick chart. I want you to take a moment here. You can pause the video if you need to. Take a moment and think about the similarities and differences between the two. Okay, one similarity I see right off the bat is they're kind of the same. There's a rectangle with two lines. The difference is where the two lines represent. Another similarity that's very important is it's the same four data points. It's the open, the close, the high, and the low. They both, in picture form, give you those four data points, which are very important. However, one way that it's different is how it's done. The rectangle over here represents the high and the low. The rectangle over there is the open and the close. That's one thing that's different. However, in each graph, the very top of the graph is the high, and the high is here, and the low, and the low is there. Now, the other thing that's different about the candlestick, this one, is that it has to be color-coded because you don't know if this is the high or low depending on how the day went. Here, this is always the high and this is always the low, and then the left is the open and the right is the close. This one depends on the color.